Hey, how's it going? This is Daniel from Jimenez Car. Today at the shop we have this Mini Cooper 2010N for a radio install and for door speakers. Well, for speakers. I don't want to say door speakers, it's not a four-door. But basically, we're going to take out the factory radio that's right there. That's the mini boost CD that's in there. And we're going to add a stereo that's made by Pioneer. That's a wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. We are also going to be replacing the speakers on the front doors. And then the back two are back here. Those are the ones that we're going to replace. And then while we're replacing the stereo, we're also going to retain what's the buttons on the steering wheel that controls radio commands. So there's a quick before of it. Everything's still stock for being an 010. And once we are done, we'll record you guys a quick demo as the final product and how the final install looks, and we'll give you guys a final product of everything. Alright, so we're wrapping up on the install on this 2010 Mini Cooper. And as far as the radio that we went with, a Pioneer DMH-W3000NEX. It's a really nice solid unit that has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it's a really nice unit for the price point that it's sitting at. It does really well for our purpose. On this as far as on the rear speakers, we did Pioneer 6x9s 4-ways for the rears. We did 6.5 3-ways on the front lowers, and then kind of last minute, but we ended up replacing the mid-ranges. We ended up going with some AudioControl's 3.5 component mid-ranges, just so that way everything kind of blends in together once everything's installed. So as far as like on the Pioneer speakers and the AudioControls, we've kept them in the OE spots. So right there is the Pioneer, and right there above is the AudioControl mid. And then as far as like the 6x9s, they're sitting in their OE location. And then the unit, it's right here. So right there's a unit. Sits in there nice and pretty well. Now as far as up here where the controls were, right there we were able to flush mount the microphone for the Bluetooth phone calls, and right there we put a USB Type-C. Something nice, something simple, but yet practical. Works without having to look out of place. Keep it as much OE looking as we possibly can. As of right now, it's already hooked up to our test iPhone. So then from there we can use features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and as a bonus we were able to keep the buttons hands-free still retained. So it's a nice OE upgrade compared to what came originally equipped with. Now this Mini Cooper is up to date with modern features. If you wish to get your Mini Cooper done with us, we can get it done here at Jimenez Car Audio. Our address is 503 East Central Avenue in the city of Rayford. There's no figure vehicle needs, and we're here happy to assist.
Don't think I'm the hottest shit, watch how I pop. Wasn't good with the green, I'm the rocks and they profit. Start rapping now, I done took off like a rock. Niggas be real steady, watching my pockets. They big and they solid, no need for no water. 6 pockets with my whole hood, they behind me. Don't think I'm the fire. In these streets, I'm the biggest. The fuck what I hide it. The bro talking sliding me, fuck it, I'm riding. BTRX, big FP inside it, got more shots than mine. Some think it's trying. Came up off the bed, might just tell me to stop my jewelry. The blind and think it's perfect time. All this shit is dreaming, that mess that behind me had stopped kicking.